Okay, here's my lathe upside down with the new and improved base. I have those bars bolted to this. This has got the cap screw going through that bolt, the top that's got a hole drilled through it. And these are able to do some fine adjusting. These are parallel, or these are square to this, or parallel to the face. And these legs on all four corners are within 1/10 of a millimeter of each other. Obviously that might change as it settles and things kind of stress and strain and bend, but basically this is my lathe bed. I got the headstock off and put new bearings in the headstock. I got the carriage shimmed up really nice. I was cutting on this bar, which is a 1.25 inch bar. That was all full of big, deep pits, and I got it to cut that extended all the way out to the end, which is the limit of this lathe, the limit of the length, without any kind of chatter at all. So I'm very happy with that.